More news coming in. Politics erupts around Prime Minister's Kumbh visit. Samajwadi Party slams yet another VIP visit to Kumbh. Yogi government learned nothing from the stampede. Why hinder deputies dip for Modi? Congress tells the Prime Minister ask Yogi about real stampede death count. Modi is all set to, the Prime Minister is all set to take a dip at Kumbh tomorrow at 11 is what we know.
हमारे यहाँ तो हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर तो रोज़ वहीं रहते हैं, सारे अधिकारी वहीं लगे रहते हैं कि वीआईपी की लेन ठीक बनी रहे, अखाड़े वालों का ठीक बना रहे और आम जनता जो जा रही है वो चाहे डूबे मरे कुचले इनसे कोई इनका वास्ता नहीं रहता है। अब ये प्रधानमंत्री पर निर्भर करता है, सोचें वो कि जाना चाहिए कि नहीं जाना चाहिए। इतनी बड़ी त्रासदी हो गई और जाएं तो उन लोगों से भी मिलें जिनके लोग खो गए हैं, जो मारे मारे घूम रहे हैं, और गंगा का वो स्वरूप भी देखें जहाँ नहाने के लिए जाने से पहले इतने इतने पैरों तक कीचड़ में घुस जाते हो, महिलाएं फंस जाती हैं तो लोग खींच के निकाल के गंगा तक ले जाते हैं। वो जगह भी देखें जाके।
ये तो हमको मालूम था, कोई न कोई इवेंट वो करेंगे फोटोग्राफी का जब दिल्ली में चुनाव हो रहा हो, क्योंकि हाथ से बाजी निकल चुकी। वहाँ जा ही रहे, मुख्यमंत्री जी होंगे, सरकार होगी, उससे ये जरूर पूछ के आए कि आखिर स्नार्थी दर्शनार्थी कितने हैं जो उस दिन दुर्घटना में मारे गए हैं।
Right, so there you heard, in fact, from the Congress going after the Prime Minister for the planned holy dip at the Mahakumbh tomorrow, which is scheduled at 11 o'clock. The Samajwadi Party too has hit out at the Yogi Adityanath government, asking them to tell the Prime Minister about the actual figures of the people who died in not the first but the two stampedes that were reported on the 29th of January. Why don't you do that is the question that the Samajwadi Party is asking the Yogi Adityanath government, saying that you learned nothing at all from the stampede. Why then organize another VVIP visit to Mahakumbh and disrupt the Snan or disrupt the program of the others, the commoners who will be there at Mahakumbh tomorrow, is the question that the Samajwadi Party is asking of the BJP government. SP has hit out at Yogi Adityanath, saying that you learned nothing from the stampede. You're organizing another visit of the Prime Minister, another VVIP visit. And when the Prime Minister is there, why don't you tell him about the actual death count of the stampede victims, is the question that the SP and the Congress are asking of the BJP-led Uttar Pradesh government. Mosmi getting in more details on that story. Mosmi, this was a planned visit of the Prime Minister. However, after the stampede took place, questions have been raised, and rightfully so, by the opposition. About the arrangements and also about the fact that the stampede count, they believe, has been underplayed by this government. Mosmi? The Prime Minister is scheduled to visit Mahakumbh on the 5th of February, which is tomorrow. Samajwadi Party has asked these questions of the BJP-led state government.